FedEx is no stranger to making history. It started as an innovative transportation company, and it became an innovative information company. FedEx's founder, Fred Smith, says, information about the package is as important as the package itself. Now we're entering an era where the information is as important as the destination. Package sensors have existed for a little while now, so FedEx has stayed on top of what changes were occurring in the world that affect the way that people use them, or want to use them, moving from things like barcode scanning to GPS tracking and environmental measures, from simply maintaining control of a supply chain to experimenting and adapting to current conditions, from one-on-one conversations to the collaboration of entire networks. And around these ideas, FedEx developed a brand new brand for the brand new paradigm of sensor-based logistics. It's called SenseAware. Let's take a look at that platform and just what is possible with it using these points. The first one, monitor near real-time location and vital signs. Right here from the Monitor tab, I can double-click a journey and pick from one of 4 different ways to see its information. There's a timeline view, which shows trigger statuses, alerts, comments, and the device's communication status, all chronologically. You can hover over these icons with your mouse to see more detail about each one. You also have a map view, which shows where your package has been so far and its remaining route. If any alerts have occurred, an icon will show up indicating where in the journey it took place. Again, you can roll over these icons to see more information. The collaboration view shows any communication that has taken place regarding this journey. Comments, alerts, phase changes like as a delivery are all shown here in a list form. If a comment or alert has not been read or acknowledged, you can do that right from this window. The detail view gives you all your journey information. Here you can see who is participating in the journey, as well as which triggers are active. And just like that, you have every detail about every one of your SenseAware shipments. How's that for visibility? Now, a shared but controlled hub of information. We can go back to our Monitor page and look at all of our active journeys at once. But you're not the only one seeing this information. All of these details are being shared live with whomever you've decided to invite to this journey. And that's why it's controlled. You only show information to the people you want. They're seeing the same details on their screen, along with all of their journeys. And then there's simple information sharing agreements. So you know who you're sending information to, but what are you sending? Well, let's just come here to the Setup tab and click Share. Here you can see exactly what data is being shared with your journey participants. There, that's it. Transparency where you want it and not where you don't. Now, Sense and Respond collaboration. You go into the Collaborate tab and can see what people are saying, asking, or discussing about your journeys based on real current events. You can make decisions involving others in light of what is happening to your package now. I can read comments, see notifications, and respond to them all live. Lastly, let's look at exception-based alerts and insight. The collaboration aspect of SenseAware is great for standard communication about a shipment, but if something happens to go wrong, it can be a vital feature. Right here, for instance, there is a temperature alert saying that one of my shipments has gone out of range, too hot. Of course, I'm not the only one seeing this alert. So is everyone else looking at this journey. I can post a comment saying that we need to reship replacement contents for this package, my shipping manager responds, and everyone is notified that action has been taken before the original package arrives. Agile, adaptive movement. All of this is possible because of the SenseAware device. It's the most advanced sensor-based tracking device powered by the most advanced logistics services company. It tracks your package with GPS. It takes your package's temperature. It watches for light and checks to see if your package has been opened. And it tells you all of this, almost instantly, over the world's largest network, the cellular network. Let's look at it a little closer. It's only 5.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and just 3/4 of an inch thin. So it easily slips into any package. And even with the battery, it weighs less than 7 ounces. It's got a dual-band GSM cellular card, so it sends you information anywhere there's a cell signal. And it uses a 16-channel GPS receiver and cellular triangulation to determine its location. And it's even FAA approved for use on FedEx flights in the US. No other device can say that. SenseAware is a next-generation multi-sensor device deeply integrated with an easy-to-use journey management platform, built with Adobe Flex and Lifecycle Data Services. FedEx is on the leading edge of movement and technology, changing what is possible for everyone around the world.